Does your alarm still ring even when your phone is on silent? Here's how to make sure it stays quiet when your Galaxy is mute. You can make your Galaxy's alarms follow your system sound, so when the phone's silent, your alarms are too. Let's turn it on. To do so, open Clock app. Make sure you are in the alarm section. Tap the three dot, then tap setting. Now, turn on silent alarms when system sound is off. When this option is enabled, alarms and timers will only vibrate if your phone is set to mute or vibrate mode. And that's it. Now, your alarm will stay silent whenever your system sound is off. It's perfect for when you need total quiet. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.